Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles southwest of Colusa, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater in small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Moore Haven, Colusa, Parkhead Ridge, and Liberty Point.